Title: Boost Self-Esteem with Easy Notion Setup in Minutes. Rocket. The video opens with a vibrant, minimalist Notion workspace background fading into focus, accompanied by upbeat music. The camera zooms out to reveal our friendly host, sitting at her modern home office desk, smiling warmly at the viewer. Host: Hey there, lovely. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a super exciting topic: boosting your self-esteem with an easy Notion setup in just minutes. Glowing star. Let's get started. The host clicks on her computer screen, and the Notion app launches, showing a clean, fresh workspace. Host: First things first, let's create a personal growth page. Think of it as your self-improvement command center. Click New Page, name it Personal Growth, and add sections for affirmations, goals, and accomplishments. Host: Next up, set reminders to practice positive affirmations throughout the day by creating a habit with Notion's Habit Tracker feature. Add a new page called Daily Affirmations and create custom emojis for each affirmation to make it fun and engaging. The camera pans out as the host clicks through her Notion workspace, showcasing completed pages and habit trackers. The background music swells as she smiles confidently at the viewer. Host: And there you have it. With this simple setup, you're just a click away from boosting your self-esteem every single day. Remember, you are capable, strong, and deserving of happiness. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more life-changing tips. Sparkling heart. See you next time.